So we're going to start with the first. I'm going to do these examples: butane plus bromine. What was the reaction? Free radical. It was chlorination or substitution reaction. So butane was C4H10 according to the formula, and you reacted with bromine, and a substitution would happen. It would become C4, and instead of 10 hydrogens, you would have 9 hydrogens, and one of them would be substituted by bromine, and an HBr molecule is going to be produced. And the same pretty much for propane, it was C3 and H8. You reacted with chlorine, and that results in the formation of C3. One of the hydrogens at least is going to be substituted. More than one could be substituted as well. So you're going to get Cl over here, and HCl would be produced as a result. So this is all alkanes. We're done with the reactions of alkanes. What we are going to do now is we're going to focus on the reactions of alkenes now. Now alkenes जो थे वो they were these unsaturated hydrocarbon that had the general formula of CnH2n. ठीक है, जहां पे आपको ना डबल बॉन्ड की पोजीशन भी बतानी पड़ती है. So unsaturated hydrocarbons, इसका मतलब क्या था कि इनके अंदर ना हाइड्रोकार्बन है, कहीं ना कहीं बीच में there's going to be a carbon and carbon double bond. That is what was meant by unsaturated. और इसमें होता था कि नेमिंग में होता था कि if you have a molecule with 4 carbon atoms and let's say it has a double bond, बाकी H पूरे कर लो, इसका 3 H होंगे. This one will have 1 H, one hydrogen with this, and this one will have 3 hydrogens. So how did you name these molecules? 4 carbon atoms, तो ब्यूट हो गया, और N जो होगा वो इन से होगा. ठीक है, it was butene, except you have to mention the position कि second वाले carbon atom पे ना double bond लगा हुआ है. No, not on the first, but on the second carbon atom there's a double bond. So the position of the double bond always had to be mentioned. ठीक है, ये तो हमने नेमिंग हमने की थी इसकी alkenes की. Now we're going to talk about the reactions. अब reactions में कि combustion तो है, वो तो हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं. ठीक है, all organic compounds they undergo combustion. Uh, but we'll just write it down. We're not going to do this. The first reaction is combustion, but we have already studied combustion. That's done. Second type of reaction, they're called addition reactions. Okay, the alkenes have many different types of addition reactions, and they're all pretty much they're all very similar. I'll just tell you what would happen in an addition reaction. होगा ये कि if you have an alkene, let's say I have a propene molecule. So this is a propene molecule, and this has 3 hydrogens, and this one has 1 hydrogen. This one would have 2 hydrogens. अच्छा, ये propene का molecule है. Every time the reaction would be pretty much the same. कि किसी चीज के साथ वो react करेगा. Let's call that XY. ठीक है, it's going to react with XY, and it's going to produce addition would happen. What's going to happen is that the molecule would remain exactly the same. मतलब draw उसी alkene को ना दोबारा उसी तरह draw करो. Everything remains exactly the same. ठीक है, everything should remain exactly the way it was before. ठीक है, so I've drawn the same. Well, I've drawn actually the same propene has been drawn again. Now you're going to make a few changes. Just one actually. Don't draw a double bond. Instead, draw a single bond over there. I mean that's change number one. So instead of a double bond, and I'm going to write this down. Okay. So double bond in the reaction would change into a single bond. Now, when that happens, you would notice that this carbon atom is not making 4 bonds now, and this carbon atom is also not. Oh, 1 second. Let me. Just hold on 1 second. Is it the part clear? The whole idea, Iram?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if this is clear, we're going to start with the first reaction. The first reaction is known as bromination. Okay, so this one is reaction number one. ये सारे उसी के ना addition reactions हैं, ठीक है? So this one is bromination. Uh, इसको बोल के नंबर टू हटा देते हैं, ये सारे के सारे एडिशन रिएक्शंस है. अच्छा, so number one, bromination. Bromination is obviously with bromine. So if you have any alkene, let's say I have butene और उसके H पूरे कर लेते हैं. अच्छा, इसके H हमने पूरे कर दिए और इस साइड पे भी. And the reaction would be with bromine. And there's going to be some conditions for the reaction. The conditions are room temperature and pressure, also known as RTP. Okay, this is known as RTP. Okay, room temperature and pressure, and absence of light. That's necessary. You don't want UV light to be present. क्योंकि वो पिछला वाला रिएक्शन ना हो जाए, वो जो हम अभी से पहले पढ़ रहे थे, सब्स्टिट्यूशन. You don't want that to happen क्योंकि ब्रोमीन वगैरह के साथ ना you get substitution reactions as well. अच्छा, आप क्या करोगे? पूरा मॉलिक्यूल उसी तरह ड्रॉ करोगे. Nothing should change. मतलब अभी डबल बॉन्ड भी रहने देते हैं. The entire molecule would be drawn the same way. So here are all the hydrogens. बीच में जो double bond है, that's going to change. The two carbon atoms, instead of making a double bond, would change into a single bond. और दोनों carbon atoms के bonds पूरे किस तरह होंगे? One of the bromines is going to get added to one of the carbon atom, the other one, वो दूसरा वाला जो है, that's going to get added to the other bromine, and that's pretty much it. It's an addition reaction. The reason it's called the reason one second. The reason it's called an addition reaction is because everything is simply getting added up. Uh, so all of these are addition reactions. This reaction is very important. The reason it's important is first thing, it's used as a test for identifying unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Basically, it's a test for alkenes. ठीक है, unsaturated hydrocarbons are simply it's a fancy word for alkenes. अच्छा, how do you identify this alkene? It's going to react with bromine, and the red brown bromine is going to get decolorized. Red brown bromine decolorizes. I mean, because it reacts. I mean, you add a few drops of bromine to this molecule. Let's say there's a solution that contains all of these butene molecules. All of the bromines are going to end up reacting with it. So the red brown bromine is going to react and it would change color. ठीक है, क्योंकि ब्रोमीन ही खत्म हो जाएगी. Br2 molecule is red brown, so it's going to get used up. ठीक है, is this clear? Sidra, is this clear? Anna, is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
That's a second reaction. It's again, remember, for any alkene, this applies to any alkene. The second reaction that we're going to do is reaction number two. ये याद रखना, ये जो पिछला रिएक्शन किया है ना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दे गोइंग टू आस्क यू कि जी वो टेस्ट किया उसका एल्कीन को आइडेंटिफाई करने का, तो आपने लिखना है कि ब्रोमीन डालो, लाइट एब्सेंट होनी चाहिए, रूम टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. तो रिजल्ट क्या होगा उसका? रिजल्ट होगा कि रेड ब्राउन ब्रोमीन इज गोइंग टू गेट डीकलराइज्ड. तो ये remember this is a very important test. It's going to be asked very frequently in your exams. Now reaction number 2 is known as hydrogenation. Now again it's a similar type of reaction, and the reaction is with hydrogen. So I'm going to pick a random alkene. Let's pick any alkene. कोई थोड़ी सी complicated branched alkene बना देते हैं. Okay, there's a double bond and there's a carbon over here as well. This carbon has 2 hydrogens with it. This one has 3 hydrogens. This one has complete bonds. This one should have 3 hydrogens. So I'm going to react it with H2 gas. And the product would be draw the same molecule as it is. So I'm going to draw everything as it is. ठीक है, it's going to be drawn as it is. और उसके बाद क्या होगा कि मतलब यहाँ पे ना CH3 ऐड कर दो, ठीक है. The double bond is going to go. That's gone, replaced by a single bond. तो इन दोनों कार्बन एटम्स के बीच में a single bond would be formed. Or to complete the bonds, what thing is going to get added? Hydrogen gas is going to get added. One of the hydrogens would be added to this point. The other hydrogen is going to be added at this point. Okay, this is known as hydrogenation, and the conditions for this reaction are: you need a nickel catalyst, and you need a temperature of 200 degrees centigrade. That's pretty much about it. So this is what is required in this reaction. And remember, it's the same reaction. All reactions are pretty much the same. The only difference is कि एक तो वहां पे Br2 था, यहाँ पे H2 है. ठीक है, it's the same reaction जो मैंने वो शुरू में एग्जांपल नहीं किया था XY का. The double bond, the rest of the molecule remains exactly the same. जो double bond वाले carbons are, they're the ones where X and Y are getting attached. अच्छा, so this is hydrogenation, ठीक है. अब इसकी एक significance भी है. The significance is first thing, it changes an alkene. यानी an unsaturated molecule ended up as an alkane, which is a saturated hydrocarbon. मतलब अगर डबल बॉन्ड्स नहीं होंगे, it's going to be called saturated, ठीक है. तो आपका जो alkene है, that has changed into an alkane. So अच्छा, why is it important? The reason it's important is कि जब ये रिएक्शन होता है ना, something happens to the molecule. पहले molecule क्या smaller in size. अच्छा, अब molecule क्या very slightly bigger in size. Just a tiny bit bigger in size. मतलब दो हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो गए ना बीच में, so it's just a tiny bit bigger in size. तो उससे फर्क क्या पड़ता है? The difference that would make is कि the molecule size slightly increases, and I told you that if the molecule size slightly increases, तो melting and boiling points they slightly increase, very slightly increase. Viscosity increases अगर molecule का size बड़ा होता है. And flammability would decrease very slightly. मतलब दोनों के अंदर इतना जमीन आसमान का तो फर्क नहीं है, ठीक है. Just a tiny bit of difference. ठीक है, so focus on the word slightly. Only slightly increases. Is this clear? Mahat, is this clear? Ahmed, clear है? साथ clear है ये बात?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, so
Yes.
चलो मेन एप्लीकेशन क्या है फिर? मेन एप्लीकेशन ये है कि मार्जिन फॉर्मेशन के अंदर कि अनसैचुरेटेड वेजिटेबल ऑयल जो होते हैं ना, अनसैचुरेटेड वर्ड यूज करो, अनसैचुरेटेड का मतलब एल्कीन है, ठीक है? तो आपके ढेर सारे वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स होते हैं, उनके मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स लो होते हैं। वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स आर लिक्विड्स, ठीक है? आई मीन दीज आर योर कुकिंग ऑयल्स, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर लिक्विड्स। तो वो अनसैचुरेटेड होते हैं। अनसैचुरेटेड का मतलब है दे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स बट दे हैव दीज डबल बॉन्ड्स इन बिटवीन। एक आध मॉलिक्यूल में शो भी कर देता हूँ कि लेट मी ट्राई एंड फाइंड एन अनसैचुरेटेड वेजिटेबल ऑयल। मतलब ये जो सनफ्लावर ऑयल, कैनोला ऑयल, ये सारे ना these are all, most of them are unsaturated, they have double bonds in them। तो शायद कोई मॉलिक्यूल नजर आ जाए जिसका स्ट्रक्चर पता लग जाए, ठीक है? जस्ट जस्ट ट्राइंग टू हैव अ लुक। हाँ, ये देखो, if you can have a look at this molecule, uh, नहीं तो चलो ठीक है this। अच्छा, if you have a look at this molecule, you will notice that now this is a vegetable oil molecule। So you can see that it's a pretty large molecule, this is all connected, ठीक है? It's kind of a very large molecule, but it has these double bonds in them। I mean, you can see these double bond, at least one of them, there's a double bond over here, over here, so you have these double bonds in the molecule, so it's an unsaturated molecule। What this would do is कि ये तो मैंने बहुत सिंपल मॉलिक्यूल बनाया ना, आपको तो इतना बड़ा मॉलिक्यूल कभी भी नहीं आएगा क्वेश्चन में। आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन आइडिया कि वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स हैव दीज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स बट दे हैव दीज डबल बॉन्ड्स इन देम। तो हाइड्रोजन जो है ना वो डबल बॉन्ड की जगह जाके ऐड हो जाएगा, तो द डबल बॉन्ड्स आर गोइंग टू वैनिश and the size of the molecule would slightly increase। So your unsaturated vegetable oils, they change into margarine। A margarine is that thing that you put on your bread, ठीक है? Margarine is like butter। It's not really butter, butter is natural। Margarine is kind of a chemically processed compound, uh, which is why it's not actually healthy, ठीक है? Butter is way healthier than this। कोई भी चीज प्रोसेस हुई हुई है ना, that's definitely not healthy। अच्छा, तो उसका फायदा क्या हुआ? इट वाज लिक्विड एंड मार्जरीन इज सॉलिड, ठीक है? द रीजन वी मेक मार्जरीन इज कि इट्स चीपर, क्योंकि बटर इज हार्डर टू मेक एंड बटर इज मोर एक्सपेंसिव। वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स जो होते हैं ना, दे कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम एनीथिंग, सनफ्लावर्स एंड ऑलिव ऑयल, ठीक है? ऑलिव से बना सकते हो। सो वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स कैन बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम एनी वेजिटेबल एक्चुअली, ठीक है? लिटरली एनी वेजिटेबल, canola से निकाल सकते हो। So vegetable oils are way cheaper, so it's a cheaper way of making something that could be used as a replacement for butter। So margarine is kind of a cheap replacement for butter। तो ये इसकी ना एक एप्लीकेशन है। Now we're going to move to number 3, ठीक है? ये हमने उसकी एप्लीकेशन भी कर ली। एप्लीकेशन क्लियर है? इज दिस क्लियर? इरम क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, so number 3 is, what's number 3? Number 3 is that we have एक और रह गया, हाइड्रेशन रह गया, ठीक है? So we're going to do this hydration reaction now। So now what happens in hydration? What happens in hydration is कि आपके पास ना you have again an alkene, तो प्रोपीन ही ले लेते हैं, और ये भी एडिशन रिएक्शन है एग्जैक्टली द सेम एज बिफोर। अच्छा, अब क्या होगा? वाटर के साथ रिएक्शन है, वाटर इज गोइंग टू गेट एडेड, तो आपने अल्कीन उसी तरह बनाना है। अच्छा, अल्कीन उसी तरह बना दो, और मैंने क्या कहा कि एडिशन में डबल बॉन्ड खत्म हो जाता है, उसकी जगह क्या आ जाता है? सिंगल बॉन्ड। तो इन दोनों कार्बन एटम्स के बीच में ना इंस्टेड ऑफ अ डबल बॉन्ड you now have a single bond. So there's a single bond present now. अब इन दोनों के साथ ऐड क्या होगा? इसमें होता है कि एक जगह H ऐड हो जाता है और एक जगह OH ऐड हो जाता है. That's what's going to be added in this molecule. एक जगह H, एक जगह OH. अब ये कि अच्छा अब ये कि H और OH ऐड हो जाएगा और इन if it gets added तो और ये इनकी पोजीशन स्विच भी हो सकती है. It's not necessarily कि वो इस ऑर्डर में अटैच हो. You could have the other molecule as well, which is के the same thing. ठीक है, रिपीट करो. वही पहले तो प्रोपीन ही रहने देते हैं उसे. डबल बॉन्ड खत्म होगा, उसकी जगह पे there's going to be सिंगल बॉन्ड. H जरूरी नहीं है कि इस कार्बन के साथ अटैच हो. H could be attached on this carbon atom and the OH could be attached on this carbon atom, right? So this is also possible. Anyways, whatever is possible, alcohols are produced in this reaction. So it's a way of producing alcohols. That's it. और इसकी कोई खास वो एप्लीकेशन कोई नहीं है. बस ये कि मेडिसिन वगैरह यू मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स एवरी डे. ठीक है, आपकी ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट से लेके आपके मेडिसिन से लेके ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग, इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स, दे ऑल ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर OH की जरूरत है so you can get rid of the double bond and instead put an OH over there. ठीक है, so you react it with water. The conditions for this reaction are that you need a temperature of 300 degrees centigrade and you need 60 atmosphere pressure and you need a catalyst which is phosphoric acid. That is going to be your catalyst in this reaction. So there are three main conditions for this particular reaction, which need to be fulfilled. तो ये आपके ना तीन मेन रिएक्शंस हैं, सारे तकरीबन एक ही जैसे. कि every time double bond bromine gets added, hydrogenation, double bond hydrogen gets added, and then you have double bond and water gets added. ठीक है. Is this clear to everyone, Sidra? Anna, is this clear? Ahmed, clear है?
Yes. Yes.
अच्छा.
Yes.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to try and practice questions on this. कि आपने क्या करना है, you have to write equations, the one that I just wrote above. So we're going to practice a few questions. अच्छा, मैं खाली वो दूंगा कि एंड यू कैन इसको मैं ना शेयर भी कर लेता हूँ बोर्ड को. ठीक है, you can open the board at your end. ये मैं इसके अंदर ही भेज रहा हूँ, इसकी चैट के अंदर. ठीक है, सो यू कैन अच्छा you can open the board at your end or you practice question. First one is going to be number one is ethene plus bromine. Write down the entire reaction. Make the complete equation जिस तरह हम ऊपर बना रहे थे. ठीक है. Second one, but 1-ene with water hydration. Third one is you have a molecule और इसके साथ
Teacher.
अच्छा this molecule. You need to react it with react it with, let's say, अच्छा इसमें ना मैं थोड़ा सा ऐड कर दूं कि this reaction, I mean the first one, ये bromination, Usually it is bromination, but it could also be chlorination as well. This could be, you can do the same reaction with chlorine as well. So मतलब chlorine, फिर वो chlorine डाल दो, the whole thing would be exactly the same except with chlorine. So you can repeat this reaction with chlorine as well. Usually it's not asked. Bromination ही mostly पूछा जा रहा होता है. So, but you can do this for chlorine as well. So this one would be with hydrogen, H2. And number 4 is I'm going to draw a slightly more complicated molecule. Let's see. इसका bromine के साथ reaction करना है and then 2 bromine molecules, ठीक है? So these 4 questions. Try and send me the equations right now, ठीक है? As quickly as possible.